Good morning, everybody. In today's English literature class, we are going to start chapter number 14. I am pirate ballerina. I am a pirate ballerina. Over here, ballerina means a ballet dancer. Ballet is a dance form, and the dancers of ballet are called ballerina. Over here, a pirate is termed as ballerina. Let's see what is given in the poem. I am a pirate ballerina on a pirate sailing ship. I am a pirate ballerina. I am a belly dancer pirate going on a pirate ship. In my purple leotard is a dress worn by the dancers. A dress worn by the dancers. I like to spin and skip. Skip means jumping slowly, and spin to roam, to circle around. I prance around the poop deck. Poop deck, main deck. A prance means jumping slowly, springing slowly. Leaping lightly on my toes. Toes means the down part of our legs are called toes. Leaping, jumping slowly. In my purple pirate tutu. Tutu is a dress worn by ballet dancers. And my bustle and my bows. Over here, bustle means what to say. It's used to give some shape. It is used to give some shape. I wiggle and ringing. Wiggle means making rapid movements. Making rapid movements on, and rigging means the rope which is tied around the deck of the ship. The rope which is tied around the deck of the ship. And I danced around the mast. Mast means a tall bamboo-like structure on which the sails are supported. I danced around the mast, shouting, "Yo, ho, ho, me, hearties." Hearties means fellow members, fellow pirates. And aho. Aho means attracting attention, to attract attention. There, avast. Avast means it is an order or command to stop. Means over here, the lady pirate is commanding to stop and trying to get the attraction of her other fellow pirates. I'm sure you'd think it's strange to see me jump around the garret. Garret means parallel movement. She says to her pirate friends that you were amazed and surprised to see me moving around in a spherical movement. But this is rather normal for a ballerina pirate. But this is usual form. You can't term it unusual, because for a ballet dancer, it is a usual form for making a spiral movement and her dance steps. So it is not any unusual form. It is an usual form. So don't be surprised by seeing me dancing like this. To see me jump around the garret, but this is rather normal for a ballerina pirate. If you wonder why I do this, if you are surprised or wondrous that why I am doing such type of dance or such type of activities, it is fairly simple answer. I'll give you a straightforward, simple answer for my dance. Why I am dancing like this. My mother was a pirate and my father was a dancer. Means by birth I have these capabilities. I'm a pirate because my mother was a pirate, and I'm a dancer because my father was a dancer. She gave the answer of why she was a pirate and why she was a dancer. Pirate because her mother was a pirate. Dancer because her father was a dancer. We know the exact meaning of pirate as we have read this word beforehand also. Pirates are the people who does the illegal work of robbing or looting on the sea. Let's see what's given about the poet. The name of the poet is Ken Nesbitt. Let's see something about Ken Nesbitt. Ken Nesbitt, born on 1962, was an American children poet. Means he basically wrote poem for children. He was named Children Poet Laureate by the Poetry Foundation in 2013. Means he was given a title of Poet Laureate by the Poetry Foundation in 2013. He is well known for his humorous writing style. He is well known for his writing style, which have humor, and his exploration of contemporary topics and going through the topics, main new topics, exploring new topics. This poem has been taken from his book, The Biggest Bird Ever. So over here, we complete this poem. We'll proceed further with the next chapter in our next class. Till then, thank you.